Don't do anything to him.
Why don't kill him?
Starting to get stinky in here. I'd spread that. I'm filling up their water right now, and I have to fix that door because it, yeah. I don't know if I brought enough screws. It's later in the evening. They're probably telling everybody go. It's bedtime. Let's go. Right. It might be good. Cross your fingers, folks. It's a little less rickety. See if I can salvage any more screws, but I mean, it'll work. It fell apart, and my son was like, "Mom, the door?" I'm like, well, I don't know what I did with the other bit, but they're going to bed. The ducks are still out. They wait till twilight, so it's cool. It's a little darker right now. I already went in here. I could put more mulch, but I doubt you want to see me do this again, but I'll probably go do that. Actually, it might be dinner time. One of these silky roosters tried to charge me. Alright, this is really silly. I felt very off today, and it's because I didn't shovel mulch, but I just did one load, and I want to do more. Tomorrow should be fun. I'll try to record it. We might get a call for the 4-H chickens, or they could come Friday. Now they're shipped chickens, so you have to, basically the same care that I set up for my regular hatching chickens, but they're going to get a totally different setup. I'm trying to make my family room, which I usually do around this time. It becomes a little Tractor Supply. Oh, there's a cat in the tree over there. You get him. Hi, Ethan. You alright, buddy? There you go. Come on down. It's just been one of those weeks or something, or I'm just off because I haven't been shoveling. Shoveling's my deal. I'm going to shovel more. I got to stay on it every day. I got another pile to do too. I don't want to bore you guys with shoveling, but that's what I'm doing right now, and I hope you enjoy it. Maybe this is a little stressful for me right now. I know I need to spread it. I'd rather be outside anyway. I'm just gonna be outside, guys. You're just gonna enjoy my outsideness because I like it. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed me fixing a door that I didn't really show a lot of it. I forgot to hit record, and I'm really sorry about that. But all I did was reinforce it, give it more like braces, X braces and side braces, so it's just strong enough to close it up at night. And I might just close off that door entirely, because the second door has hinges on it and you can open and close. Those weeds have exploded. Oh, I just looked over at the garlic. I'm sure I can just use the wood chips to suppress. Alright guys, Boobie Goaters, you have a great day. And you know, it's not a fun vlog, kind of talkity. Boobie Goaters, and enjoy.